Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2016 Chrysler 200S. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in bright white. It looks fantastic. You do have the Chrysler badging up front here with your bifunction halogen projector style headlights right there. And coming around the side here we do have 19-inch rims with our tires. They look fantastic. I really love those rims as well. The color is very nice. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there, looking great. And coming all the way around to the back here, we do have that 200S badging as well as the Chrysler, and we also have our backup camera right there. It does also come with dual exhaust down at the bottom here, and as long as we have our keys, we can just press the button twice and it opens up for us. Lots of room in the back here. Looks great. It is very soft as well, so nothing will be getting scratched up. You can also lift this up and you got your spare tire just underneath there. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You got that one that opens up your back, and 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for you, or in the summer, cool it down for you. Now, it does have proximity keyless entry, so if the key is on your person, all you gotta do is put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Got a bit of silver accenting here, and this blue accenting looks very nice as well. It is leather to put your arms on, feels great. Little handle here and some storage down here with a water bottle holder. Looks fantastic in here. I like the blue accented leather trim seats. They look great. You got the S on there, looks great. Over here we do have the controls of our lights, so we have our on, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams as well as our auto. You can press it in for your fog lights as well, and your in-cabin light controls right there. Right over here we do have the controls of our seats, so backward and forward as well as the lumbar support there. Okay, it is push to start, so foot on the brake, press the button, starts right up for us. Now in the middle here we do have our speedometer and our odometer as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have what way we're facing, our kilometers, and the temperature outside. Now we can switch that around a little bit to our vehicle info. We also have our fuel economy, trip info. We got our audio, messages. We also have our screen set up, and back to our speedometer. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and your cruise control. Right over here we do have the controls of our lights and our turning signal, and on the other side it is our windshield wipers. We got these paddle shifters here. They look great and they feel great. They are leather, or sorry, not leather, they're metal. They feel awesome, and it does help you if you go into manual mode. Now in the center here, we do have our touchscreen display with Uconnect. So we do have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all right there. We got our media tab if we have one hooked up through our aux cord, Bluetooth, or USB. Then we also have our heated seats and steering wheel, as well as the passenger and the mirror dimmer. We got our Uconnect apps right there. We got our climate control right over here. If we turn that back on, you do see that we have a dual climate system for you and your passenger. Very nice. And then you also have the off if it's too bright for you, or you got your phone options right there if you also have one hooked up through Bluetooth. You have your hazard lights there, and then down here in the controls, it looks great. You got volume up and down with the mute. You got screen off, traction control, back button, and your tuner and browser there. Air conditioning, your circulation, heat up and down, power, off auto. Then you also get your front rear defrost. Gear shift right here, just like that, and you can put it into sport mode there as well. If you put it into reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera right there, keeping you nice and safe. You also got your electronic parking brake there. And you do have your cup holders here. And my keys are in there. You can lift this up. You got some storage just in there as well. And then you can also lift this or slide that back, and you got some storage in there with your aux cord and your USB plug-in and all that. Then right over here, we do also have a locking glove box right there. It looks great, keeping your stuff nice and safe. Up top, you got the controls over your sunroof. And then you have a sunglass holder right there, and you got your lights there. It is a dual pane sunroof. Looks great. Lets in lots of light. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you do have your control of your windows handle. Same accenting on the handle there. It is leather, and you got some storage right down here. Looks great back here. It is the leather trim seats with the blue accenting, as same as the front. You can fold this down. You got some cup holders right there and some storage just in there. You can also open that up. You got access to the back, or you can fold this whole seat down, and then you got even more room to store stuff. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2016 Chrysler 200S. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.